We are back online on Wednesday and we are here as always, and we will make some money on S&P futures together. And I am about to short the S&P 500. Let me give the orders and we start. I will take a long position here now and put a stop loss, very tight stop loss. I am looking for this price to take over the buy side liquidity zone, since a lot of days S&P is just consolidating and taking out the sell side liquidity zone. So that's why I'm taking this long position. I hope you guys all well. Sorry, and I'm so excited and pumped to make a trade with you live here guys together. So I just took a short position, long position, sorry, and let's see what will happen. And this is the ranging box from the 2 days ago, and it is still working, which is very nice. And why I took the long position is because the bar is just closed above this ranging box and it feels like price will continue to go up, and we have seen a silver bullet at between 3 and 4 a.m. here as you see on my screen, and I have missed that opportunity, but now we will catch the opportunity until price hits there. Let's see what will happen. And the dollar index is just going up and up like a crazy. There is a equal lows. Let's mark that up so that if it breaks also it will help us to become more bullish. And let me just type in here equal, which means that equal lows. And on Nasdaq we are kind of very bullish. It is not like S&P or Dow Jones like since 5 days or so. It's so bullish that nothing can stop Nasdaq here, and Dow Jones going up. Since we took a long position here, we are in profit, and let's see what will happen. I will keep my position up. Market will open in 2 minutes. We're very excited. And let's see the book map before the market opens. There is some 170 contracts sitting on 41.45 and 200 contracts at 41.42. Order book is heating up. Everything going great. Let's see how much we will make today. I'm so pumped up to trade live with you guys. I hope you catch the long position here. And we are in long now. Those who come new, just long the S&P 500, and we are looking price will crush the opening gap from the last week and will touch the buy side zone at 41.51, and then it will go to the 41.56 if the conditions are met. We are watching the dollar index closely because it has a correlation between indices and dollar index. If the dollar index drops, most probably the S&P 500 and other indices will follow. So we are making money here guys. Let me see, $150 profit. I can take a partials if I see more aggressive moves here. Biavesh, welcome to stream. Fun time, welcome to stream. It's so nice to see all of you guys here on my live stream. We have long the S&P 500 on Wednesday. In last 2 days market doesn't give us nice money, but today we will bang it, and market just opened with the bell, and let's see what will price do now. I have put my first partials and let's see if we can fill that. Hello Azal, welcome members. It's always nice to see you guys. Ravi is here. On balance volume indicator, explain sir. I will explain everything in a moment. Dow Jones is just crashing down, Nasdaq is rallying up, and S&P is ranging at the moment. Dollar just going up just a little. So watching closely all the indices and all the instruments to make more money with you live here, guys. We have already longed the S&P 500, very tight stop loss. If the things goes bad, we will out of the position and looking for a new setup. So no problem for us to losing money. We can control our psychology. World of Nature, hello, welcome to stream. If it is your first time, hit that like button. I will be here every Wednesday and Friday trading live with you guys. So this is the highest point of the day so far, and this is the lowest point of the day. Let's just mark it out. This can be some buy side liquidity on 17th of May. I don't want to see the bars closing just below this ranging box because we are so bullish on the S&P 500 today. I want to see the price goes and take out this buy side zone at 41.51, but we will see what will happen in a moment, I guess. Market just opened and price is ranging between this tight zone, and Nasdaq making a new highs of the day, and there is a break of structure, there is a change of character. It's going up and Dow Jones is just dumping. Dollar is going up. I want to see the dollar trade below these equal lows. It is very important. And I don't want to see S&P trade below this ranging box and close the bar inside of this box on a 15-minute time frame, but we will see that. Let's go to lower time frames now on S&P 500. There's a fair value gap, just a little, and there is also a bearish fair value gap. Volume just spiked up with the market open. Don't get on the stop hunt. And for the day, there is no economic calendar. It's all empty. There is no high impact news, so it's a good thing that we can trade by our own. No news will affect us. And by that time, if you have any question, I guess that Ravi had a question. On balance volume indicator, explain sir, he said. I don't know what you mean. Can you be more clear about your question, please? We are waiting patiently and we will see what will happen in a moment. The most of the time market will do its thing after the 30 minutes the market open, but it's not a rule, it's not a must. It can do whatever it wants, so we are watching closely the market now. Price just bounced and leave a tick in this small ranging inside box, and Dow Jones keeps spiking, dollar is spiking, and Nasdaq here making a new highs of the day. Let's take a look at the book map since the market is heating up. And the most aggressive order is here, 41.38. And on the upside, there is a 41.46. Let's see which one will get filled first. There is a nice spike up on Dow Jones. This is what I want to see. But I also want to see dollar is going down and breaking these equal lows today so that we will become more bullish. Nothing fancy going on at the moment, just watching the market now. Now it's time to wait until the price does something for us, and price just trading above the EMA and the VWAP lines, and in most of the terms it's kind of bullish now, but the dollar is spiking. It's consolidating between this zone. I want to see that it break out this zone on a downside. This is the S&P 500, this is the Dow Jones, and this is the Nasdaq chart you see on my screen, and this is the dollar index. So the indicators that I'm using now is the fair value gap, the Sunday open, EMA, and new day and new week opening indicator from the Lux algo and the VWAP. I might switch and turn back on some other indicators like signals and overlays or price action concepts, but currently I want to see a naked chart so I can decide more precisely and what I will take a position. Let's look at the TradeX to see the option flow now. Calls are going up, and the 0DTE GAX is kinda bullish now. There is a problem with 413. I want to see these positive lines expanding to become more bullish. Nafel, hi, welcome to stream. Fun time said market is ranging just like the last time. Yes, 100% agree. It's ranging. It's a boring market now. We want to see the bars above or below this ranging box so that we can take a trade. Now fell both 0.05 Bitcoin time frame 1 hour. I don't know if it's a long term or short term, but I don't trade Bitcoin at the moment, so if I say something, it will not be accurate in my opinion. Hello Mali, welcome to stream. Looking to take any position now. Market just made a higher of the day in the market open. Now trading in this ranging box. If we see some price action, we will go and take it. My daily bias is actually kind of bullish, but we never know what will happen. No trades taken in my funded account yet. Waiting patiently to take any position. Kinda boring day to trade actually. Price ranging like always. It does in the first 30 minutes. But in any way it will do its thing and we will take a position. Just bounced from the range box lowest point. The yesterday markets was so hard to trade. We made in Discord group some nice amount of money. And one nice profit, one small loss, but we ended up today with the green. Yeah, fun time, waiting for the big move. Totally agree with you. VIX is down 3% and all the indices and the dollar index is green. I am waiting price to take this buy side zone one by one, maybe today or maybe tomorrow, but I think that it will happen this week. Maybe not all of them, but some of them will be taken. So looking for opportunity here. On my funded account, I didn't take any position yet. It's on my screen. You can see it. My PNL is just $18. Didn't make a move yet. We'll let you guys know. By the time, if you guys have any question, it's a great time to ask your questions before we enter any position. So feel free to ask me anything. And if you haven't liked that stream yet, please hit that like button, because as you know, it motivates me to do these live streams for free every Wednesday and Friday. So basically what's going on with the market is just ranging, nothing so fancy, no moves taken yet, and we are watching everything closely. Could take a short position if I see a continuation on this short move.
Order filled.
A small position here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
A low probability setup. If the dollar breaks up these ranging box, price will drop on all indices, so we will see that.
Order filled.
Nice down to look at the price. It's spiking, very nice.
Order filled.
Moving my stop loss to my break even. Since it's a very volatile market, took some partials, left with 3 contracts.
Order filled.
2 contracts left. Still going down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Exited all off from my position. Since there is a equal loss, I don't want to take a risk. $63 profit taken. It was a nice trade. It was a short trade. We entered with the breakdown of this ranging box. I don't like this kind of markets that it's going up and down, so I want to see this dollar index crushing this. Oh, we exited too early, but nothing to do sometimes. Price still going down. Fun time. NQ1 is the Nasdaq. You asking here this, right? This is Nasdaq future. Sir, closed. Yes. $367. Very nice, fun time. You make more than me. It's so nice to see that. Price still going down. I wish that we kept the position, but nothing to do. The first green position of the day. We have shorted the S&P 500. We booked our profits and we are still watching the market closely. We can see a bounce back from this silver bullet zone happened in 3 and 4 a.m. I might take a long and put my stop loss 3 points below.
Order filled.
Just took a long position and I will put my stop loss to under this silver bullet box.
Order submitted.
Don't copy my trades. Today is a very risky day, so all trades taken because of the educational purposes. Oh, Hazal made a $700. Congratulations. Everyone doing a great, nice amount of money. I hope you guys catching something with my trades. Just took a long position since we didn't see the fill of this silver bullet gap.
Order submitted.
I want to see that dollar index bounce back from this highs again like it did before. Look how the price is respecting this zone. It doesn't leave its body under that, it just leave a tick and it doesn't count for me. The dollar index is just so aggressive at the moment. We will see if we get stopped out or if we got the fill. Three contracts taken on a long side. Oh, fun time, it's my pleasure. Come on. Come to our partial point. Price still consolidating. No clear direction yet, but it's a good thing that price didn't close below this, inside this box. And Nasdaq, by the way, crashing down, dollar is crashing up. There is a break of structure here, so it's a bad thing for us.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, we stopped it out. Market keeps tanking, so nothing to do.
Order cancelled.
We have entered 10 a.m. It's a silver bullet time. We will see that if there will be opportunity for us. Fun time, ask that sometimes movement in If you see a clear setup, fun time, you can take an action. But in the pre-market hours, I suggest you put your stop loss very tight, because it can be risky. So there is a high chance that you will make more money in the normal market hours. But you can try it and learn yourself. But in my experience, it is kinda hard for me to trade the pre-market hours. Look at the dollar index. It's so bullish that price can't go up. Indices under pressure now. We have already taken one short position, one long position. We are in a 0 point now. No profit, no loss. Dollar is just spiking like a crazy. Let's look at the option flow. Very bearish option flow. No surprise that price is dropping. Let's look at the book map also. You see that there is a very high buy orders or buy stop orders, you can say, waiting to fill. Now they all got disappeared. Today's order flow is kinda strange. What I'm looking for is there might be some silver bullet setup, so that's what I'm waiting now. The last week was perfect, but this week was so boring in my opinion. And there is a news on Friday, high impact news, so be careful. We could see another crash on a downside since the dollar index on a steroid, but will not take any action.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Taking a long small position here again. Wow, nice spike. This is very nice spike.
Order filled.
Taking some partials after the 3 ticks, right? This could be a good opportunity for the longs. Let's see.
Order filled.
Out of the position. So strange moves. This is a very similar setup, you see, right? Dollar index might drop, hopefully. $10 profit for today. I hate this kind of markets. Nice push. I opened a long position on my evaluation account. Since it's not a PA account, I can take high risk actions. Hello Emir, welcome to stream. If you guys are enjoying my positions here, please hit that like button. We are bullish at the moment on S&P 500 and my target is, as you see it on my chart here, but I want to see that dollar is dropping and I want to see this continuation up until down here, so we can make a new highs of today for the S&P and Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Pressure on a downside. This looks like a nice setup for the long, but we will see. Will not take the long position again in my PA account, but I took a long position on my evaluation account. Nasdaq is pushing up. No profit is always better than the loss, right? Come on, push it up. If you don't see a break for this block, there is a 80% chance that price will make a new highs. But we will see that. So my average size is 41.33 and my take profit zones are 41.40, 41.45 and stop loss is 41.27. Since it's a evaluation account, you can take a high risk, no problem, but the PA accounts, no need to take a risk. Today is not a good day to take a risks. I like the consolidation times, but I don't like when it takes like 3 days. So maybe today that price will take up these buy side zones. Let's take a look at the book map. It's finally some of these orders are going away. Look at here and look at here. There's a huge difference, right? Let's look at the TradeX. Calls are rising, okay. It's been like 50 minutes from the market open. Look at the moves. It's like it's not even 1% move. We made $10 profit today. So proud of it. tomorrow there is an initial claims, continuing claims. No news actually tomorrow. Dollar is dropping nicely and Nasdaq reacting, but S&P is not reacting yet. It seems like market is just broken. I got this feeling like in 3 days. I can only catch the position in between 3 and 4 a.m. and one time you have also asked me that. There is a very nice opportunity nearly every day in a between 3 and 4 a.m. You see that this was the today between 3 and 4 a.m. When you see this price action happening, take a long position. Let's look at the one day before. We actually catch this live on our Discord. Look at this. Silver bullet setup between 3 and 4 a.m. Then boom, price rocketed. And today also it did that. But now I don't know what's going on. In nowadays it's nice to trade in the pre-market and Asian session and the London session. I don't know what's going on with the New York session now. Nasdaq is going nicely this week. I don't know, I like to trade S&P 500, but Nasdaq seems more charming in those days to me. I want to see a higher highs, please. And nice fat candles. I don't want to see thick anymore. It's nearly 10:30, but nothing yet. Market is testing our patience. I want to see that something. Look at the call flow. It's increasing nicely. I believe that silver bullet setup will happen. Okay, it's rising. Come on, make a new high, make a new high. Fill this fair value gap, please. just crushing the VWAP and EMA line. It's an important milestone for the price every day. In every session that price moving, you need to take a look at and you need to give an attention to the VWAP. You see that price just closed above the VWAP. If we see a continuation, most probably silver bullet setup will happen. So if you are enjoying my live commentary here, please hit that like button to get this live session every Wednesday and Friday for free. Finally, dollar is dropping. We can take a deep breath and watch the indices now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just took a long position on my PA account.
Order submitted.
I like the how price action goes.
Order submitted.
Tight stop.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Finally, come to me. $500 profit on the evaluation account. Oh, just sold the one contract. Okay, cool. Moving my stop. I want to see that prices will respect these highs. New highs. Very nice. Look at the dollar. As long as dollar drops, we will see this price action continues. The fun time, yeah, we just took a long position. I believe that there will be an uptrend. As long as the dollar supports us, we will go up and make a new high. I am expecting a new high of today.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Congratulations, fun time. I am also booking a profits here. $400 profit so far in my evaluation account, and I don't know how much make in PA account since I trade very small now, but I could take a bigger position. Let's see if we're going to make a new high of today. We catched very nice trade, let me be honest.
Order filled. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Fun time. I don't know what is funded next. Currently I'm using apextraderfunding.com. They are very nice, and there is a 80% discount going on the Apex Trader funding. If you are interested, you can look into them. I am very happy about how they are, giving the service to its users. I really suggest you check them out. It's very cheap. It's like a $30 per month for a 50k account. So small risk and high reward, it is our motto, right? You can find the discount link in my description for Apex Trader funding, but I don't know the funded next. I have never used, so I can't say anything. But Apex Trader funding, I have withdrawn money, I have used it, it's very nice. I think the continuation of this move will come, we will see that now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
You are welcome, fun time. If you go and try the funded next, and if you will be happy about, please do let me know. Okay guys, I think not so much excitement going on at the moment. I have opened a long position. I have 3 contracts, put my stop loss, put my take profit. It's a low probability setup, but we will see. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. We made a couple of dollars, not so much. Not the best day we had here. But I will catch you on the next live session. Please hit that like button if you have enjoyed this stream. Until the next time, see you later. And for my members of the channel, I will be here on the Discord. You can ask me your questions and I will keep you updated about my position. Take care. Bye for now.